Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So as we have seen that the quantitative aptitude section of the paper, the questions that we have seen in this section wasn't really out of the box, or if we didn't see any kind of unexpected questions appear in this section. The questions were more or less of what we had already seen in previous years as well. But one thing cannot be denied, that the paper or the questions were actually very much calculation intensive. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll be focusing on a particular question from that paper, basically the one pertaining to the pipes and systems. So where we can try and take a look at the ideal approach towards solving the same, so that whenever we come across these questions in general, we can easily go about solving the same as well. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. So tank A, B and C can fill a tank in 12 hours, 15 hours and 20 hours respectively. If A is open at all times and B and C are open for 1 hour alternatively, then the tank can be filled in how many hours? Okay. So here A can fill in 12 hours, B can fill in 15 hours and C can fill in 20 hours. Okay. Now let me do one thing. Let the volume of tank be 60 liters. Why 60? Because LCM of 12, 15 and 20 is 60. So therefore A's rate of filling would be 5 liter per hour. Liter per hour. Simply 60 by 12. Again, this one will be 4 liter per hour. And this one will be, C's will be 3 liter per hour. Now it's said that A is continuously open and B and C are opened alternatively each hour. So first hour A and B works, and second hour A and C works, and this cycle keeps on repeating. So A will be 5 liter will be filled, and for B 4 liter will be filled, and A again 5 liter will be filled and 3 liter will be filled. So that is, in the first hour 9 liter will be filled and second hour 8 liter will be filled. So basically we can conclude in 2 hours 17 liters are filled. Therefore if we go in 4 hours 34 liters will be filled. In 6 hours therefore 51 liters will be filled. Okay. Now in the 7th hour, if you see, first A and B will be working, second A and C. Again even hours A and C will be working, and odd hours A and B will be working. So therefore in the 7th hour A and B will be working, that is 9 units. So in the 7 hours 60 liters will be completely filled. So therefore time taken to completely fill the tank will be 7 hours. That is option 3 will be the answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. All we needed to, the main important portion was basically denoting a particular volume of the tank and subsequently identify this particular pattern, so that we can actually easily solve the question in general. So this could have been easily done by simply, if we had 60, all we had to do was simply divide, understand the pattern, and subsequently we could have taken and solved the same as well. So this was a fairly easy question. Now having said that, if you are looking to get yourself the complete solution of the paper in general, then you can look us up with the details provided in the description section of the video. You can call, text, WhatsApp, email or visit our websites, and the medium of all the same are provided in the description section of the video. So in case you're looking for a complete solution of the paper with respect to the verbal ability section, logical reasoning as well as the quantitative section, we'll be more than happy to provide you with the same. And also if you're looking for any kind of guidance with respect to your preparations of the same, we'll be more than happy to do that as well. So kindly look us up. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. In case you like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel so that you can get a so that we can come up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And in case you have any difficulty, kindly go through the video multiple times and try to solve this on your own. So with all that said and done, we'll continue our discussion of these topics in the subsequent videos as well, wherein we'll be discussing a few questions on the logical reasoning, quants and the VRC section. So I'm signing out with all that said. Thank you so much.